can grill it, sear it, you can brine it, and then just slightly smoke it. When you're searing it, I like to use the skin on, get the pan screaming hot, a little bit of olive oil, and then put it skin side down, get the skin nice and crispy. I like to cook it to medium, rare to medium. The salmon is like tuna. It's a thermometer in itself. It'll tell you, just look at the side. It'll tell you when it's done. You can see it cooking. It changes color. If you're searing it, when it gets about halfway done or a quarter of the way done, just flip it over and just sear it. And you can see it, cook it for another minute or two, and then pull it off. And then I like to brush it over with a honey whiskey sauce or a glaze and put on top of that some fresh honeycomb.